Kibuuka, the flying warrior god of Buganda. Kibuuka was known as the god of war, but he wasn't like any ordinary god. He had a secret weapon up his sleeve. He could fly. That's right, Kibuuka was a master of the skies, soaring above the clouds and watching over his people from the heavens. His favorite trick? He would hide in the clouds during battles, making him invisible to enemies but always ready to strike with deadly precision. The most famous story of Kibuuka is about a time when the kingdom of Buganda was at war with its neighbors. The enemy thought they could easily defeat Buganda, not knowing about Kibuuka's extraordinary powers. As the battle began, Kibuuka took to the skies, hidden from the enemy's view. From his vantage point above, he could see every move the enemy made, and used this knowledge to help his people. With Kibuuka's guidance, the Buganda warriors knew exactly where to go and what to do. Meanwhile, Kibuuka rained down arrows on the enemy from the clouds, sowing confusion and fear among them. The enemy warriors couldn't understand where these mysterious arrows were coming from and started to panic. They had no answer to Kibuuka's invisible aerial attacks and soon found themselves in total disarray. Thanks to Kibuuka's bravery and unique battle tactics, the kingdom of Buganda won the day. His story became legendary, a tale passed down through generations as a symbol of protection, strength, and the clever use of one's talents to overcome challenges.